Next, we're going to talk about marketing strategy. In launching a brand, you must have a strategy in place. How are you going to promote and sell your product? For example, channels like social media and print campaigns, which includes lookbooks and catalogs, and email marketing and websites. So, how to successfully engage on social media? Number one, share a good story. Not necessarily a story about you, but about your customer. Again, make your customer the hero, okay? Share something inspiring. Share an inspiring story, a success story that will connect and engage your audience. Number two, there's a formula, like an equation, that many people follow and use when it comes to giving value. And the formula is a 80%, 20% formula. Let me explain. Free value can be talking and sharing about someone else's success story, or someone else's product or service, which could be very valuable. Maybe putting a link to someone else's website. That becomes the 80% value that you give. And then the 20% is the buy my t-shirt pitch. Number three, create a calendar for your advertising campaign. For example, over the next 6 months, right? What are you going to talk about? Number four, figure out which social media platform is best for you and for your brand. Number five, be spontaneous. Sometimes you just want to say something improvised. I'm going to quote Claire Diaz-Ortiz. She used to be an executive at Twitter. And she says, empathy plus connection equals social media engagement. And how do you create empathy? 3 ways. Tell a good story, help someone, and ask a question. That's how you create engagement on social media. For example, as a brand, if you can solve someone's problem and they feel understood and they feel heard, now you've created a connection. And now you have a fan and a potential customer. 6, stay connected with your current fan base. If you naturally care and show that you care and be authentic and create a good experience, your fans and your followers will always be there for you. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.